Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, December 11th, 2025. And let's take a look at the economic calendar for today. So what do we have here? We got the interest rate decision yesterday from Fed. So maybe today will not be that much busy as yesterday. So Asian session quite easy with data. Data from Japan were published. BSI large manufacturing conditions up from 3.8 to 4.7. Employment change in Australia down from 41,000 to minus 21,000. Full employment change down from 55,000 to minus 56,000, and unemployment rate at the same level of 4.3%. Swiss National Bank interest rate decision in line with the expectations, 0%, and the press conference is scheduled for release at 10 o'clock. Fed Governor Kushner will give a speech at 10 o'clock as well. Bank of England Governor Bailey will give a speech at 10 to 11. At 11 o'clock, Eurogroup meetings starts. Intraday decision in Turkey scheduled for release at noon. OPEC monthly report is scheduled for release at 1 o'clock. And initial jobless claims are scheduled for release at 2:30, together with the trade balance data from Canada and trade balance data from the US, including exports and imports. Business PMI in New Zealand is scheduled for release at 10:30, together with the Fed's balance sheet and the economic card retail sales from the New Zealand. This data are scheduled for release at quarter to 11 o'clock. So quite easy day for us for today. So without any further ado, let's switch to the charts. We start with euro dollar. So the euro dollar breaks above the technical resistance at 1.1683, makes some sort of the kind of a support here. Kind of a swing high at 1.1708. So all of these levels here will now act as the technical support, 1.1657, 1.1669, and the newest one, 1.1680. Free intraday technical support. Nevertheless, we hit the extremely overbought conditions, so that spike to the upside might get reversed today. So please stay focused, stay vigilant, because we already have a fake breakout below the trend line. So, or we might place this trend line like this. It is providing quite a significant technical support. There's only one fake out for about like 12-16 hours down towards the 1.1614, and then we got very nice movement to the upside. Now pullback time on euro dollar is being expected. Cable hit the technical resistance 1.3384, made a new marginal low at 1.3390, and now is reversing lower after bearish divergence has been made between the RSI indicator and the price, obviously, right? And moreover, at the top of this move, we got some sort of the shooting star doji-ish candlestick pattern. You can take a look closer here at this. Nevertheless, it's a kind of a pin bar. We got the confirmation, and now we should move lower towards the level of, this is 1.3355 local technical support. If this one is violated, then the test of the trend line might happen around 1.3331. So that's the situation on the British pound. US dollar versus the Japanese yen reverses the recent very nice breakout, little bit lower, and with the momentum is back around the level of 50, and the price is testing 100 periods moving average at 156.09. Local technical support these days is located at 155.50, so that's the technical support. Any violation here opens the road to the lows from the December 5th 2025, located roughly around 154.36. So the pullback on the US dollar versus the Japanese yen 4-hour time frame chart is on. Nevertheless, if you take a look a little bit closer here, we might have some kind of a bullish engulfing pattern. We need a confirmation green candle here above the 100 periods moving average, above the technical resistance. Now It used to be support, now it's a resistance above this level as well, and the market is ready to move way higher. Gold market doesn't do much. As you can see here, the gold market keeps moving up and down. Current price 4,214 as the momentum keeps oscillating around the level of 50. So not much to say about the gold. So we are waiting for another trigger, the Fed's interest rate decision, that it is possibly fully in price of the gold these days. S&P 500. I'm just waiting for the S&P 500 to load. Can we have the crude oil or anything? Crude oil, yes, crude oil is okay. Crude oil is loaded, and as you can see, it basically tested the 100 periods moving average just a few hours ago, and now it's even reversing very strongly below $58 now, 57.66. Yesterday's low, yesterday's low is 57.66. Any breakout lower opens the road towards 57.10. Very strong movement to the downside. Momentum is very negative, 34 points only. So the crude oil is right now losing the ground. Let's try again. S&P 500. There you go. And that's the same situation. S&P 500 is has reversed overnight, down from 6,899 towards 6,810. So any violation of this local technical support is bearish, and it might lead to the test of the 100 periods moving average at 6,777. Very sharp reversal in the momentum. As you can see, so before the interest rate decision and during the interest rate decision, S&P 500 tried to move higher, but then reversed all of these gains and virtually returned to this range, right? So right now the situation is still not clear for the S&P 500. It stays at the same, almost at the same level as before the interest rate decision. Now, Bitcoin is still trading inside of this channel, and we broke above the last swing high during the interest rate decision. Then we almost tested this level here, 94,595. Nevertheless, there is some sort of the very interesting candle. This is the interest rate decision candle. Then we have confirmation to the downside, and we back towards the lows of 89,527, and the dips are being bought here. Nevertheless, the momentum is not really outstanding. It's low, 45 points. So the situation here is not that clear anymore. We are back inside the range. So if Fed didn't help the bulls to move higher, then we need to wait for another trigger. So that's the current situation. The range is clearly defined, and we are waiting for this range to be violated sooner or later. Please notice the next level, supply zone, $99,000. This is the next target for the bulls if we decide to move out of this channel. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.